Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, they have completely weighed upon this lady. This is not of her will, and this is her bowing to pressure. So now with that guys, I bring you this. Aisha Buhari apologizes over a leaked video of her shouting in Aso Villa. So that's the headline. Aisha Buhari apologizes over a leaked video of her shouting in Aso Villa. Now let's see what this lady has been pressured into doing. Aisha Buhari today apologized to her family and well-meaning Nigerians for any embarrassment the viral video of her shouting in the villa might have caused. A video of her shouting at Mamman Daura's daughters in the State House sometime in 2017 was released on the internet last week Friday. The First Lady tendered her apology when she received the wives of some government officials who paid her a visit in the State House Abuja earlier today. In a post shared on her Instagram page, Mrs. Buhari wrote, "I am happy to receive the wife of the Vice President, Governor's wives, Senate President's wife, and senators' wives, speakers' wives, and wives of members of the House of Representatives who paid me a courtesy visit after my return. I used the opportunity to commend them for the good work they are doing in their various states and in collaboration with my Future Assured program. I also advise them not to succumb to any form of distraction caused by social media or any form of communication. I used the opportunity to apologize for the embarrassment I might have caused my children, immediate family members, well-meaning Nigerians, and the institution I represent on the circulated leaked video clip. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria." So now this is now what this lady has said, and of course she's been pressured into doing this. This is my thinking, because you have to remember that they've now given her an accoutrement of about 6 aides in addition to the aides that she has already. So she now has 6 more team members to carry her bags and wipe her bum or whatever it is that they do. So now Mamman Buhari now has now bribed her with 6 extra staff, and this of course would have been the advice that the cabal would have given him to say, look, sweeten this woman and calm her down. So he has sweetened her with an additional 6 staffs, because those 6 staffs of course will be people of her choosing. So now this is now 6 jobs now that Mamman Buhari has created for her to slot her friends in. You know all her friends that would have been saying, look, you are the First Lady now, but how are we not enjoying? Find us something now. So now that find us something now that they have created a budget for 6 people to go into this woman's team. So this is now what's happened. This is how they've been able to calm her down, and they've now written this apology for her and then created the environment for her to deliver it in a public arena. So this is now my reading of what is going on here, because you cannot look at that viral video, the tonality and the honesty and the heartfelt, the innate and the instinctual way that Aisha Buhari expressed herself. You cannot see that video and then think to the contrary that that is not a sentiment, or that is not what she was thinking at that time, or that is not what she's still thinking. But of course they have now pressured her into this apology, and they've put her on her knees by way of giving her 6 additional staff. So now what now fate befalls that Fatima Daura is the next question. So the First Lady has been forced now to issue a public apology, but what consequence will this Fatima Daura face is really where the question is. Because of course if she does not face any form of public rebuke, or she's not made to show contrition publicly, then that effectively places her above the First Lady, because the First Lady now has been humbled, but this girl now is still out there being arrogant. Conversations in the comment section. The price of an apology, 6 stars. Come tell me what your thoughts are, but before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new vid. Then come tell me what you are making of the life and times of this Aisha Buhari woman in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.